I like that. Something simple. Maybe I'll do it.
You think?
Oh yeah, something simple like this. Oh yeah, easily.
All right, follow me. We got a beautiful day here. Very clean cut job. No debris, no brush. All the boys are happy and dry, and we're looking good. Jared, I got my first one stake set up right here. Okay, I want to talk very quickly about how to set a string line for a privacy fence. We got both of our end posts. Hunter, show them down there. End post down there. End post down here. We have tore out this old fence. We got a new one going. This is a pretty messy line, but we set our string line right here. We like to set this 12 inches off the ground. All right, right now we're at about 9. That's why I have this stake here to bring us up. We're at about 12 inches all the way to here, and then the ground comes up. I'll take this up to 12. Just over 12 there. And Jared down there is doing the same thing. That way, the string line moves smoothly with the ground and we get our height. When we go to set our posts, we put our posts right on this line and we make a mark. You need to decide what you want your height of your post to be from the start. So this is our 12-inch off the ground. We're gonna put a mark at 57 inch on our privacy post to give us a total of 69 inches out of the ground. Every fence is gonna be different for your height, so keep in mind those measurements. But this way, we'll have a little mark on our post, we'll have a string line right here, and we just match the mark on the post to the string line. So when we set that in, all of our heights are gonna be perfectly dialed for the height that we want the fence to be in. Sometimes you can do a straight shot all the way across without having any undulation, but this gets up a little too tall in the middle, so we've got to bring that fence, we've got to kind of round it and then smooth it back out. So just something to keep in mind. It's a very simple thing. We just use some stakes, and occasionally as you go down the line, you need a couple of them. We'll see where Jared's at here. He's got one set, so we like to just check our string. We're at like 12 and a half here. That's fine. 11 and a quarter. I like to stay within an inch of 12. You can see the ground drops quite a bit here. 12. We've got like 14 here. We're a little tall here. And we're back to about 12. So pretty smooth line. That's just a real quick demonstration on how to set the your grade line or your string line for a privacy fence. I'd like to show you guys in a better scenario. This is pretty messy position, but even in this situation, I recommend doing it because as you go throughout the build process, it makes everything easier when your posts are set to the right height. Then you can put your rails on, everything goes smooth. You're not trying to fix your problem the entire day. So, all right, see you guys out there.